You're watching how to export health data from iPhone iOS 18. Open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Export All Health Data. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. The Health app will now compile all your data, which can take a few minutes. A share sheet will appear once the export is ready. You have several options. To save the file on your iPhone, select Save to Files. Choose a location like on My iPhone or iCloud Drive. The data is exported as a zip file containing XML files. To send it via email or another app, tap the share icon and select an app like Mail or Messages. You can also use AirDrop. To send it to a Mac for a more readable report, use third-party apps from the App Store that import health data and create visual reports. The exported zip file contains all your health records, workouts, vitals, and other categories. To import this data to another device or service, that service must support the Apple Health data format. Note that exporting does not delete data from your iPhone. It creates a copy for privacy. Secure the exported file as it contains sensitive information. This feature is essential for backing up your health history or sharing it with a doctor. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.